Okay, so German lead. Lead or leader. Leader is plural form sang Lied, which translate to song, or ang leader translate to songs. Is a genre characterized by single melodic line, or from the term single melodic line, monophony. Simplicity, clear melody, accessibility, and expressiveness, which connects directly sa listener. And lead is usually composed for solo vocal, and it is accompanied by a keyboard instrument, which later on nag-change sa pianoforte during the 18th century. And lead is used as a medium for conveying emotions and narrative through music. Also, the composer's skills lies in how kung paano nila makonect ang music kag text altogether para mas ma-express nila kag ano tawag niya, mas ma-express kag ma-convey nila ang message mayo. And for example, sini ang gulpi nga pag-shift sang harmony kag rhythm nga makamirror sang pag-change ng emotion sang poem, while ang melodic contours naga-follow sang rising and falling action sang story. And sa origin naman, ang origin sang German lead can be traced back to the 12th and 13th century, with its earliest examples produced by mini-singers, which are poets and singers who express themselves of courtly love or mine. And early mini leader, which originated in southern Germany, often followed a common two-section structure. Section A, the first phrase, is repeated with different words. So, ang una na nga musical phrase nga na, gin-repeat ya lang pero with different words na, and followed by section B nga naga-contrast naman sa second phrase. So next is the bar form, or the strophic form became a favored structure among German composers, allowing for creative expansion and variation. So the bar form has repetitive melody and consistent structure, and nagavary man ang lyrics. So the text itself is crucial, since the choice of words and arrangement directly influence the musical setting and creating powerful interplay between the two. Meaning, ang music ag text wala nag-exist nga individually or sila lang, but rather connect gid sila or gabuligay para mas ma-convey emotions and expressions. So the monophonic mini leader, or love songs are known for their strong sound and melodic contours, often using small leaps in the melody and scales common in medieval and Renaissance music. The rhythmic interpretation of these songs remained debated due to unsure and inconsistent ang iyang musical notation during that time. So meaning hindi pa siya ma-interpret mayo due to inaccurate nga pag-notate nila during that time. Also, the mini singers' poetry that deals with themes of courtly love and chivalry provided the foundation for the musical expression ng daan. And furthermore, some notable mini singers like Walter von der Vogelweide and Tannhäuser and Wolfram von Eschenbach made big contributions and later influenced composers such as Richard Wagner. And the transition from the monophonic mini leader to the complex polyphonic leader of later periods made a significant impact and development in the genre that reflects wider changes in musical style and aesthetic preferences. Since naging polyphonic na siya gani, mas naging wide pagid ang scope nila sa pag-develop sang genre per se. Sang genre nga lead per se. And furthermore, the later development of the lead, especially during the Romantic period, emphasized more emotional depth and complex narrative to highlight the relationship between music and text.